Welcome back to Trina's Motivation Journey with me, and I show you how I made this plantain and oats porridge. It was super delicious and it was very quick. Let's jump straight into the video. So today, guys, we're going to make some porridge, some oats and plantain porridge. We're going to mix them together. So this plantain fell down, the tree fell down, and you notice it's very young. So I'm just going to use one or two, probably one, because I'm just making it for myself. My family do not love porridge. I'm the only one who loves porridge and soup. So we're going to be using this. What we're going to do is blend it. We're going to peel it, then blend it in our NutriBullet it, and then we're also going to do the same thing with our oats. And these are the ingredients. We're going to have cinnamon powder, mixed spice. We have our soy milk. We're going to tip a little salt in it as well, and we also have our vanilla and a little sweetening agent, which we're just going to use some sugar. So that's going to be it. So we're going to jump straight into just blending, and then we will go right ahead into the video. So there we have the plantain. I had 3 of them, a little oats, and we're going to blend them. So now we're done blending, nice and smooth. It's going to pour it into the pot. So we're basically pouring it out into the pot. I want you to see the consistency, right? Not very, very thick or thin, because it's going to, once the heat goes on it, it's going to be thick. We're going to put our stove on medium heat. So this is after about 2 minutes. What you need to do is to continue stirring your porridge, because you don't want it to stick to the bottom of your pot, and you don't want it to get too lumpy either. So you continue to stir it while it's on low flames, right, until it gets really thick and there's no lump. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'll do that, leave it for a little while, then come back and do the same thing, and then we will add our other ingredients to allow our porridge to be nice. All right, so see, so this is what you do. We place the oats in there because we want it to help with holding the plantain together. We don't want a water porridge, you know. So we're going to keep stirring it until those little lumps that you see are all gone. So right now I have added my cinnamon, my mixed spice, my vanilla, and I'm also going to be adding my soy milk, right? So this is what I'm doing. If you notice, it is actually very thick. Well, not extremely thick, but this is the right consistency. I like it. So I'm just going to add the milk, and then I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes. Then turn the flames off and sweeten. I don't sweeten while the flame is on, because to me, when I do it that way, then it don't, you know, sometimes when you do porridge, you saw it like a little watery after a certain time. When you do it this way, and if you notice, guys, it's not sticking to the bottom. You know, some persons say when they do their porridge, it stick to the bottom. Look, you can see, not sticking at all for me. And look at that, no lumps or anything. So I want to add a little milk now. Let's pour in some of our milk. And then we mix it around and leave this for a few minutes, and then we will sweeten. So I'll be right. I also added a little salt in it. I also added a little salt to it. So there we have it, guys. Look at the consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. This is how you want your porridge. There is no lump. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my sugar. I don't want a lot in it. And then I'm going to turn my flames off. And then I mix to sweeten. That's it. I actually want you to take a look at that. See? That is the porridge. Nothing stick to the bottom. You just have to continue to stir it. That's the trick to it. So this is the finish, guys. Nice. And there's a consistency. So for me, this is okay. I don't have an issue with this. I don't have an issue with this consistency. Some persons like theirs a little bit watery and maybe a little thicker. This is how I like mine. So it is my oats and plantain porridge. Nicely done, and we're gonna have it right now.